Tailscale wins when you want a frictionless, secure mesh that just works for remote access and zero trust workflows. It uses your identity provider for auth, nails NAT traversal, and gives predictable managed tooling for ACLs, device sharing, and enterprise features. So you spend time building, not babysitting networking. Zerotier wins when you need low-level network control, virtual LANs, VLANs, custom routing, bridging, multicast, and fully self-hostable controllers. It's the better choice for complex topology, IoT labs, or when you must avoid cloud dependency and pay per node pricing surprises. Most people choose wrong by picking the tool they like rather than matching constraints. Pick Tailscale if your priorities are fast setup, single sign-on, reliable peer connections across phones and laptops, and minimal ops overhead. Pick Zerotier if you need L2 flexibility, persistent VLAN behavior, or tight control over packet flows and on-prem controls. Practical verdict for builders and engineers. Use Tailscale to access devices and services securely today. Use Zerotier when you're building a network product, running many embedded nodes, or require bridging and advanced routing you cannot acceptably retrofit later.